January. Example: January. January is the first month. It is very cold in January. We wear warm clothes in January. I see snow in January. Happy New Year. February. Example: February. February is the second month. February is short. Valentine's Day is in February. I love hearts in February. February is still cold. March. Example: March. March is the third month. Flowers start to grow in March. The weather is warm in March. I see green trees in March. March comes after February. April. Example: April. April is the fourth month. It rains in April. I see rainbows in April. Flowers bloom in April. I use an umbrella in April. May. Example: May. May is the fifth month. The sun shines in May. I see butterflies in May. May is a beautiful month. We play outside in May. June. Example: June. June is the sixth month. School ends in June. It's hot in June. I eat ice cream in June. June has sunny days. July. Example: July. July is the seventh month. It's summer in July. I go swimming in July. The weather is hot in July. We play in the sun in July. August. Example: August. August is the eighth month. It's very hot in August. We have summer vacation in August. I go to the beach in August. August is fun. September. Example: September. September is the ninth month. School starts in September. The weather is cool in September. I see yellow leaves in September. I study hard in September. October. Example: October. October is the 10th month. The leaves fall in October. Halloween is in October. I wear a costume in October. October is cool. November. Example: November. November is the 11th month. The air is cold in November. We eat turkey in November. Thanksgiving is in November. I am thankful in November. December. Example: December. December is the last month. It's winter in December. Christmas is in December. I see snow in December. I love December holidays.